So no leak, but you can see the bubbling at the back of that number 7 injector, right at the head. Nothing coming out of there, all good. Let me see if I can fasten this somewhere. But see how that bubbles at first when you put the Schrader valve in? It's gone solid though, but it bubbles at first. I'm not seeing any sort of fluid anywhere.